So first off, just like every other one, installs into your battery tray, just like that. I don't know what brand this is. My wife bought it for me for Christmas, but this one actually comes with a dipstick so that you can check to see how, I don't know if it's going, let's see. You can check to see how full it is, so you're not just opening it all the time to find out. But so right here, get your in and your out. Well, right there, I had to actually take and cut that plastic a good bit for these hoses to come out and for it to all, click back down and be secured. I ran the end, which comes out of the back there. I ran it through the top, and then the one that goes back into your intake, I run it up under the turbo tube right there. From there, over there. So, I mean, other than that, I mean, the way I cut it, it looks like it should look like that from the factory. So, really wasn't no problems there. And then what I'll do is I'll show you how much it has in it after. I think it's, like I said, I think 3 weeks. And keep going, keep going, keep going. All right. So you see it's still hot from where I was running earlier, but it's really, let's walk over here to some light. It just shows you, like I said in the whole thing before. There we go. And it's not too bad. That's, like I said, that's about 3 weeks worth. So it just really does show you that, with the Ecoboost, the catch can is a necessity, for the fact that all of that would be going right back into your intake and getting on top of your valves, cooking onto your valves, and that's where you get that horrible, just rough idle, and then problems on down the road. Because this is a 16, it doesn't have the dual injection where it can swap to from direct to port and actually clean the intake valves. This one doesn't have all that, so you have to do preventative maintenance on your own. So that's pretty much the oil catch cans explained. I enjoy it. Like I said, I've had it on for about 3 weeks, and you see it's already doing its job and keeping my intakes clean, or my intake valves clean. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.